Your doors are more than just an entryway. They protect your family, improve energy efficiency, and add charm to your Fleming Island home. But like any part of your house, doors wear out over time. With Florida's humid climate, salt air, and frequent storms, doors in Fleming Island residences face more wear and tear than you might expect. Knowing the common signs it's time to replace your doors can help you stay ahead of costly repairs and keep your home looking and performing its best. Drafts and higher energy bills. If your energy bills are climbing without a clear reason, your doors could be the culprit. Drafts occur when seals, weather stripping, or frames no longer provide a tight fit. Gaps allow cool air to escape during Florida's hot summers and let warm, humid air seep in. This makes your HVAC system work harder, costing you more each month. New, energy-efficient doors can dramatically reduce drafts and help maintain consistent indoor comfort. Visible damage or wear. Doors that look worn often perform poorly too. In Fleming Island's climate, moisture, sunlight, and daily use can cause damage. Warping or swelling. Wooden doors often expand with humidity and may no longer close properly. Cracks, dents, or peeling paint. These issues weaken the structure and reduce curb appeal. Rust or rot. Metal doors may corrode, while wood can rot if exposed to prolonged moisture. Replacing damaged doors not only restores beauty but also ensures long-term durability. Difficulty opening or closing. A properly functioning door should open and close smoothly. If yours sticks, scrapes the floor, or doesn't latch properly, it could be a sign of deeper issues. Misaligned frames or hinges, often caused by settling foundations or repeated humidity cycles. Swelling materials, common in Florida homes during humid months. Broken locks or handles, compromise security and convenience. When doors become a daily frustration, it's usually time to consider replacement. Moisture or light around the frame. One of the clearest signs a door is failing is when you can see daylight or feel moisture sneaking in around the edges. Water intrusion. Rainwater entering around frames can lead to mold or floor damage. Light leaks indicate poor sealing and insulation. Pest access. Gaps make it easier for insects or rodents to enter your home. A new door with modern sealing technology provides protection against all these issues. Outdated style or design. Fleming Island's neighborhoods are known for beautiful homes, and an outdated or mismatched door can hurt curb appeal. Faded colors, old hardware, or dated designs can make your home look older than it is. Modern doors come in a wide variety of styles, including glass inserts, decorative panels, and bold finishes. A new door can instantly update your home's look while adding value if you plan to sell. Replacing your doors can be as much about style as it is about function. Security concerns. Your doors are your first line of defense against intruders. If they no longer feel strong or reliable, replacement should be a priority. Loose frames or locks reduce overall security. Older materials may not withstand forced entry attempts. Modern upgrades. Reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems offer peace of mind. New doors give you the reassurance that your home and family are safe. Final thoughts for Fleming Island homeowners. Doors are both a functional necessity and a style statement. If you've noticed drafts, visible damage, poor operation, moisture intrusion, or security concerns, it's time to think about replacement. A professionally installed, energy-efficient, and stylish new door not only enhances comfort and safety but also boosts your home's curb appeal. By replacing your outdated doors, you can enjoy a more secure, attractive, and efficient Fleming Island residence for years to come.